southwestern New Jersey, central Warren County in northwestern New Jersey until 9:30 p.m. At 7:07 p.m., Doppler radar and automated rain gauges indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the Warren area. Between 1 and 2.5 inches of rain have fallen. The expected rainfall rate is 0.5 to 1 inch in 1 hour. Additional rainfall amounts of 0.5 to 1 inch are possible in the Warren area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar and automated gauges. Impact: flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that may experience flash flooding include Hotlantcon, Hackettstown, Washington, High Bridge, Stanhope, Whitcomb, Clinton, Harmony, Oxford, Alpha, Glen Gardner, and Hampton. This includes the following highways: Interstate 78 in New Jersey between mile markers 0 and 19. Interstate 80 in New Jersey between mile markers 15 and 28. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles.